Hello and welcome to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm Mark and this is my YouTube channel, and it's all things related to my house and my garden. I live in a 450-year-old thatch cottage in Cheshire, England, and I have a large garden. Unfortunately, I love gardening and I enjoy DIY. So you'll see me making videos about my garden and do it yourself. For example, you might see a video about my olive grove, or my wildlife garden, my wildlife pond, my formal parterre, or my gravel garden. And I've also just got permission to convert my garage block into luxury living accommodation, and I'm going to do it all myself and share that journey with you on this channel. Now, I'm an amateur. I have no formal training. So you're watching me learn and making mistakes. And it's that learning which I share with you in my videos. So please do have a look around my channel, and if you like what you see, press the like button and subscribe and hit the notifications bell. And if you want to get involved, then of course please do comment in the comments boxes below any of my videos. It's always nice to hear from you. And one last thing, if you could see your way to buying any product through my Amazon storefront, your support would be greatly appreciated, because I earn a commission on every sale and all the proceeds go straight back into my gardening and DIY projects. I'll put a link to my storefront in the description box below this video, and a link will appear here on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon for some more garden and DIY adventures. Bye for now.